Paano tatanggalin ang loose skin after weight loss? Weight loss is a process. So there are a few different things to consider. First of all, ano ba yung extent ng weight loss natin? If we're looking at, let's say, morbidly obese, biglang naging size medium, for example, or small, then there's gonna be a lot of excess skin talaga. Kasi morbidly obese yun eh. So, skin was stretched to a maximum. So, depende rin kasi sa edad, sa gano'n nakatagal, yung morbid obesity. Certain cases will require surgical correction. Yung iba naman, not necessarily. So, yung mga bata-bata pa at yung weight loss, let's say, medyo naging gradual siya, hindi basta masyadong drastic, then yung loose skin niya will eventually firm up over time. Doon naman, sa mga hindi naman ganun kalakihan yung weight loss, nag-loose skin lang, this is part of the journey po. In the beginning, there will be a lot of mga ganyan nga, sasabihin pa ng iba, mukha kang tumanda, medyo loose skin. But that's just the initial phase. As you stay longer in this lifestyle, nag-improve naman po yan. Yung balat, eventually, it becomes firm. So give it some time po. You can take supplements. Collagen is pretty good supplement to take. Pwede po nating gawin yan para mag-improve lalo yung quality ng ating skin. Skin vitamins, so vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium, biotin, mga ganyan po. You can take those. Merong mga dedicated na mga skin vitamins din po.